Hey guys, hi, I'm Rich. Well, in my garage cleanup efforts, I decided to make a Murphy table. And in deciding to make that table, I was in such a haste just making it. My wife says, "Hey babe, did you film it so I can see it?" Uh-oh, no. So, I already put the table together, so I don't have video of me actually building it, but I can explain, you know, some of the stuff I did in order to make it. Well, as you can see, it's on the wall there, folds up, it's Murphy table, workbench. It was a 4x8 sheet of the particle board. Had it cut to 32 inches, and I took the remaining piece and put it up top and utilized it to hold wrenches and stuff to get them out of the tool bin over there, which it's just a mess in there, hard to find stuff. So on here you'll see here I use just some latches just to keep it held up in place, when it's up in the air. Below here you've just got a resting ledge, and I put a board here which is just pretty much sticking up, must look like a little 1/4 inch, just so it won't prevent the table from kicking out at the bottom. The table has casters to where you can lower them and raise them. They move, so when you want the table to sit flush on the floor, you raise them. You want it to roll around. Put the latch down. Got these off of Amazon. They were 27 bucks for a set of 4. Table sits like 32 inches high. Just using 2x4s for the legs. This is all like spare wood. I had some pieces of board that were left over from some wainscoting I had in the house. I stripped it down, took the paint off of it, just to make these, stabilizers here. The bolts, washers, 4 inches. I got the table like had a table cut to I had the board cut to like 7 foot, so it's a 7 foot wide table. And as you know, other videos, legs swing out. You got the one stabilizer stick there that goes in between the legs to keep them from, folding in on you. So pretty simple. There's a bunch of videos out there with them. I watched a couple of videos, different ones. I was for the table. Took a couple different ideas. Some that was just tables that flipped up and down. Other guys added the wheels, so I did a combination of everything. I just did addition to running out up there. So pretty much, like I say, it's a good little storage spot. When I don't, really need it, I just have it sitting up there out of the way. So it's my little version of the Murphy workbench table, mobile, that you can use. It's mobilized. Okay, so you can see some of the other clips. Okay guys, so the workbench is done. It collaborates with the wall unit that I built to clean up that junky mess. See, the garage is pretty much clear now. Got the stuff on the walls there. It's just so the bench itself is on casters that you can roll around, move everywhere. On my ledger board, I put like a little cleat here that's like about a quarter inch up above the regular ledger just to catch it so it doesn't slip out. See it, but it's let's see, right there, the little ledger. See, it's like a quarter inch up, just so it won't slip out. Okay. Get it placed where I need it. Lift up over the caster to drop it down to the floor, make it stable. And if I want to get it out of the way, there it is. It's up and out of the way. Oh, I was hitting that guy. Okay. So here we have it. Hope you enjoyed that. What I've got there. Also got the little tool rack on top of there. Utilize that. And my tool workbench storage space is good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Until the next time.